Hi traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Now in this video, we are going to be diving into one of the most powerful breakout strategies in trading, and that is the Ichimoku Cloud Breakout. All right, this is a trend following system that helps traders spot strong breakouts and trend continuations. All right, with high accuracy. So if you have ever struggled with false breakouts or getting caught in choppy markets, then this strategy is for you. Okay, by the end of this video, you'll learn what the Ichimoku Cloud is, how it works, and you're gonna learn how to trade a breakout step by step. Okay, you're gonna also learn key confirmations to avoid false breakouts, and finally you're going to learn common mistakes and how to avoid them. Okay, so I'm just trying to add the indicator to the chart. All right, to make it more visible. So if you're ready to level up your trading, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more pro trading content. Okay, let's just get started now. The Ichimoku Cloud, also known as the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo, is a trend following indicator that gives traders a complete picture of the market at a glance. Now, unlike most indicators that focus on just one aspect, the Ichimoku Cloud provides trend direction by showing whether price is above or below the cloud. You know, this is the cloud, right? You can see this is the cloud. So it shows trend direction by, displaying whether price is below the cloud or above the cloud. And it also shows support and resistance levels. The cloud acts as a dynamic support and resistance. And, this indicator also shows momentum shifts. For example, when the Tenkan-sen, the Tenkan-sen is this red line. When the Tenkan-sen, right, which is the conversion line, and the Kijun-sen baseline, when they interact, right, it can show momentum shifts. For example, the Tenkan-sen crossing below the Kijun-sen shows a shift in momentum from bullish to bearish. And when the Tenkan-sen crosses above the Kijun-sen, it shows a shift from bearish to bullish momentum. All right. And then you can also use the Chikou Span. The Chikou Span is this this lagging indicator, the green. I just want to open the parameters so you can see. The Chikou Span is this green line, the lime line. It's actually a lagging line, right? However, you can use it for trend confirmation. Okay, now the cloud, the Kumo cloud, right? This is what we call the Kumo cloud. Now this is the most important part of this system. Okay, when price is above the cloud, it signals a potential uptrend. When price is below the cloud, it indicates a downtrend. But the real magic happens when price breaks out of the Ichimoku cloud. All right, that is when momentum kicks in. Now that we understand the Ichimoku cloud, let's go over how to trade a breakout step by step. Okay, now for a bullish breakout, right, for a bullish Ichimoku breakout, when price breaks above the cloud, this signals a potential uptrend. You can see like what happened here. So the Kumo turns bullish. The cloud ahead turns. Can you see that when price is trading above, or rather when price breaks out above, you will notice. Okay, let's just look for. Okay, when we are in a downtrend, you will notice that the color of the Kumo cloud, you can see how it is this gray-like color in a downtrend, right? Then in an uptrend, you will notice this orange color. So now, when we have a breakout from a downtrend to an uptrend, and the uptrend has been confirmed, you will notice that the Kumo cloud will turn bullish. It will turn to this gray, or rather orange color. Okay, confirming the momentum, and then you're going to notice that the Tenkan-sen, which is the red line, will cross above the Kijun-sen. That will even happen before the Kumo cloud changes color. Okay, then you will notice that the Chikou Span is going to be above the price action, above candlesticks. This means the trend has room to continue. And then for your entry and stop loss, you can enter after a successful breakout and place your stop below the cloud. Okay, then for bearish Ichimoku breakout. In the case of a bearish breakout, okay, you can see what happened here. We had a bearish breakout here, right? The price breaks below the cloud, signaling a potential downtrend. Then the Kumo turns bearish. You can see it now turns to this gray-like color. And after that, before that, rather, you will notice that the Tenkan-sen crosses below the Kijun-sen. The red line crosses below the blue line, confirming selling pressure. And the Chikou Span is going to be below the price action. Okay, for your entry, you can enter right after the breakout has been confirmed and then set your stop loss just above the cloud. So by following these simple confirmations, you can filter out false breakouts and trade with confidence. Okay, however, not all breakouts lead to strong trends. Okay, so many traders fall for fake breakouts and lose money. Here's how to avoid those traps. Okay, the first is weak breakouts with low volume. So I'm just going to add the volumes indicator, right? If price breaks out but volume is low, it might be a trap. So watch out for increases in volume whenever there is a breakout. Always check volume confirmation. There should be an increase in volume when you have a breakout, okay? Then flat Kumo. When you have a flat Kumo with no clear trend, you should stay out of the market. If the cloud is flat, it means that the market is ranging. All right, so wait for a proper breakout with momentum. Then the mistake of not confirming with Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen, you should avoid it. If the conversion and baseline, remember the conversion line being the Tenkan-sen, right, and the baseline being the Kijun-sen. So when the red line, you should always watch out for the crossovers between the red line and the blue line, basically. Okay, a strong breakouts have a steep Kumo cloud. When you have a strong breakout, you will notice that the Kumo cloud will be going down steeply. Okay, it signals strong directional momentum, and then you're going to have a Kijun-sen Tenkan-sen cross. The Kijun-sen is going to drop below the Tenkan-sen, right? The Tenkan-sen is going to drop below the Kijun-sen, right? The crossover, Tenkan-sen is going to cross below the Kijun-sen, confirming that breakout, breakout or the start of a new trend, right? Then you should also have a retest of the cloud before continuation. You can see that we had a breakout here, we had a retest before we had the continuation of this sell move. Okay, so by waiting for these confirmations, you avoid getting trapped in false moves and only trade high probability breakouts. Now, even with a strong system like the Ichimoku Cloud Breakout, traders still make mistakes. Here are some key pitfalls to avoid. Okay, do not enter too early. Don't just enter because price touches the cloud. Wait for a confirmed breakout. Okay, and then do not ignore other time frames. A breakout on the 5-minute chart might not hold on the higher time frame, so always check multiple time frames for confirmation. Finally, avoid over trading. Okay, not every breakout is worth trading, so only pick the ones with strong confluence and volume increases. Okay, so by avoiding these common mistakes, you will trade with more accuracy and confidence. And that is it, traders. Now you know how to trade the Ichimoku Cloud Breakout, filter out false breakouts, and use key confirmations to trade with precision. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more high-level trading strategies. Comment below, do you use the Ichimoku Cloud in your trading? What is your experience with breakouts? Let us discuss in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.